Maybe it's time for you to give a feedback. What is the confidence level before you attended the training and after you attended the training, Vimal? How much you rate
Uh,
yourself and your confidence level in ABAP?
yeah, I have so much confidence in me by knowing ABAP
Okay,
because now I can able to understand the code that are written and I can able to debug it.
okay,
That's
great,
that's that's my before that I can able to understand, but I can't able to debug. I can't able to put my values and I can't able to debug. Now I can able to debug the code
great,
and I can able to of I can use functional model. I can what if there is any standard data source I can able to, if there is any field I need to add, I can able to add it. This is
okay,
one of the important thing, right? Because in ECC side, I don't think so much BW will BW person will work on enhancement kind of data
correct,
source, but yeah, but we can because we don't touch custom program in data source, right?
correct. So, as a BW
Yeah, but
consultant, there are cases where even BW consultant is not at all having access to ECC. There are
yes,
some different team, they will create or enhance the data source and tell you the data source is ready. Then people will
yes,
replicate. Now,
then
even if you are
yes,
in that kind of scenario, you are in a position to handle independently.
yes, yes.
Right. Great. That's the main thing because ultimately it's all about bringing the confidence than telling like we'll be covering everything in the session, right? We have covered all possible real-time scenarios only, be it the generic extractor based on function module or enhancement of standard extractor or routine or bex. But main thing is we have to bring confidence in a consultant so that that fear towards the ABAP should go and you should be comfortable with even if you hear that there is some customization to be done, you don't have to look for ABAP, correct? ABAPer.
Yes,
So you can take time. Obviously, everybody will become expert or will code faster with experience, but we have to bring that confidence that you can you have that guts to start off without being dependent on anybody, and that fear like you should not have that fear, right? Okay, you have been placed in a new project or you have been got into new company and by mistake if at all they assign any ticket or any job which has BW related ABAP, what I will do? If you are not aware or comfortable with ABAP, you will always have that fear, correct? So
yes,
people should
yes.
not judge me based just because I don't have ABAP knowledge. Like now with this course, you have got that confidence that I am very sure, and I totally understand from the interaction with you and others also that you guys are putting your effort even to practice and notice or read the code which is already existed. So don't hesitate in attempting any new requirement, and whenever you get any new requirement which you may need some guidance or mentorship, you can always feel free to
Yeah,
contact
yeah,
me.
sure,
Okay,
sure. When yeah, I'll be.
that's main thing, and that's all from my end. I believe for whatever I have promised, I think before we start the training during the intro or when you called me, I believe I have delivered that, right?
Yeah, yes, when
Great, great, Vimal. That's the main thing because ultimately money is one part, but we have to bring
yeah,
confidence in the other
knowledge
candidate
is
knowledge because both the parties we are spending time together, and I should ensure as a trainer I have given my 100% to ensure the candidate is having enough knowledge because that's what make more sense than just for the sake of completing the topic completion. It doesn't matter, right? So even that's the way I
yes.
teach every single person, but that makes me more happy because that feel like okay, I conducted a session for Vimal and he is now a BW ABAP consultant instead of just a BW consultant. So that makes me
Yes.
more happy. That's all from my end, Vimal. If at all you are looking for any further training of BW on an or native on our SQL script in the future, you can always contact me. But apart from that, also any general questions, you can always call me. Not an issue.
Yeah, sure, I'll only go.
Okay, Vimal. Then that's all for
Uh,
today, and thank you so much, and have a good one.